are going to open my new Hotwheels car. Yay! Let's go. Whoa. Whoa.
What car is that?
Honda. What color? Dodge.
What's that? Color it.
Wait. What color?
Green.
Green.
What is the name of the car?
Yes, Porsche.
Porsche.
Wow, galing. Kuya. Akin na.
The other one, what the color? Black.
Black.
Ano yan, kuya?
Kaliwa.
What is the name?
Kaliwa.
Kali.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
So what are the names of your cars?
Yes.
What's the name?
Black.
The black one, what's that?
Red. White. Green.
What car is that? The black one.
There.
What is the name?
What's the name?
Kaliwa.
How about the red car?
Dodge.
And the white car?
Honda.
And the green one?
Porsche.
Wow, very good. Olivia.
Say bye.
Open the egg! Nathan, open the egg! Nathan, open the egg! Wow!
Wow. Wow.
It's chocolate, this one.
Chocolate.
Wow, it's chocolate. Toy. Mason has a toy. How about the other one?
Green.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh, you have toys. Wow. It's a car. It's kindergarten car.
Stop.